Coming to you from the Carol Blanton Ferris Law Firm Studios, it's the A1 Minute brought to you by Long & Foster.
It's Matt. All right, here we go. The weather news of the day is the expected drop in the humidity this afternoon, says our weather homie Sean Sublett. The temperatures will stay seasonably high in the upper 80s and no real rain is expected through the Labor Day weekend. Overnight low temperatures will range in the 60s and 70s. Keep up to date with Sean's A1 Weather Minute at richmond.com/weather. And Bouchal Middle School teacher Kira Thompson was chosen as Virginia Region 1 Teacher of the Year. A Virginia Department of Education committee selected 8 regional winners. Thompson, with the other 7 regional teachers, will sit for interviews with the committee, which will select the 2023 Virginia Teacher of the Year. Thompson began her professional career in healthcare before becoming a teacher, and in May was selected as Richmond Public Schools Teacher of the Year. And lastly, the Apple TV series Swagger has been making its way through the Richmond area, namely shooting scenes at Huguenot and John Marshall High Schools. Each school gets $5,000 a day for filming and $500 a day for prep days, according to documents obtained by the Times-Dispatch. Richmond Public Schools also receives a $1,000 donation for each episode in which footage of the schools appear. Filming is expected to take up to 7 days at each school, which could generate up to $70,000 if filming took place for the full 14 days. All right, that's it. Make sure you log on to richmond.com/subscribe to get access to the e-news. Bookmark richmond.com/vvn to stay up to date with all the latest videos from the Virginia Video Network, and follow on social at RTD News and Virginia Video Network. I'll talk to you tomorrow for another edition of A1 Minute, brought to you by Long & Foster Real Estate.